here's Rome. Now Rome has 13 obelisks situated within it, so I'm guessing that Rome is going to experience a lot of trouble in the near future. The Sydney Opera House, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, Queen Victoria Building, and the Sydney Skywalk are 4 potential terrorist targets that have been coming up in codes. Sydney also seems to be situated on a ley line. Here is a map of Sydney, and at the bottom of this map we see obelisk, the Hyde Park obelisk, and it appears to be situated on a ley line. Now if we follow this ley line, we see that the Sydney Opera House is very close to it. Also close to this is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Now we also see that the Sydney Skywalk, or center point, is going to be a target. And alongside this is the Queen Victoria Building. I've noticed that a lot of buildings that will be destroyed in the end times are buildings with copper roofs and that have statues or false idols in front of them. These potential targets have come up in movies such as Finding Nemo. Nemo is a Latin word which means no one. Also from the movie Muriel's Wedding, Muriel is an angel who rules over the month of June. From Power Rangers, the movie, and also the movie Arctic Blast has many codes within it. I suspect Sydney will be attacked between June 16th to June 18th, 2013. The following clip from Finding Nemo will explain why I believe it to be in the year 2013. Muriel's Wedding hints it to be in the month of June. Near the end of this movie, I will show another clip from the movie Arctic Blast, which suggests the day will be between June 16th to the 18th.
Have you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Sydney? Oh, sure.
You wouldn't know how to get there, would you?
What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's East Australian Current. Big current. Can't miss it. It's in that direction.
The Sydney Opera House seems to be associated with the astrological sign of Aquarius. The shifting or transitional period from the age of Pisces to the age of Aquarius will be between December 21st, 2012 to August the 11th, 2013. It seems likely that everything is planned to be destroyed to make way for the new system during the shift. The dawning of the age of Aquarius officially begins on August the 11th, 2013, when the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter aligns with Mars.
When the moon is in the 7th house Jupiter aligns with Mars, then peace will guide the planet, and love will steer the stars. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius.
Here we see Dublin, and we see 2 possible ley lines, with the Monument of Light being on one and the Wellington Obelisk. The Dublin Castle and St. Patrick's Cathedral have both been coming up in potential Freemason codes. The second reason why I believe this to be a terrorist target is because it has come up in The Simpsons. In Season 20, Episode 14, titled In the Name of the Grandfather, the date June 16th was mentioned.
Must be Bloomsday. Every June 16th, lovers of James Joyce follow the route traveled by Leopold Bloom.
On June 16th, 2013, there is also a kite formation within the planets. In Season 21, Episode 20, called Survival with Love, we see a new code is introduced, which I believe is replacing the previous MAD code. YO, or OY, I believe represents destruction. We also see that a new surveillance upgrade will happen within London and America.
Guess what company had a giveaway at Moe's last night?
Now this OY code is the same code shown in episode 16 titled The Greatest Story Ever Told. and I believe it is code for destruction.
Mmm, good mac and cheese.
I've had better. Down at the train station.
I'm on my way.